message on the lower half. Now repent, the end is here at last.
New York, baby.
Both shrugged and hit the gas. It's a long drive back to you, the kind that always takes a day or two. I didn't know what love like that could do. I need you in my life to make it through. I'll see you soon.
You have to introduce the food.
Tsukume noodles, dipping with. Oh yeah. We're in Times Square.
Times Square, baby!
Times Square, yeah!
Times Square. It's pretty noisy. Oh man.
Yeah, what I do is I take my leg over and go this way, and then I let myself down a little bit, and then I jump.
At the drive-thru with the headlights on, and now I'm feeling like I'm up on top of the streetcar. You're calling my shot. I'm gonna shout it down and sing it to song. I miss you. How I hope you find that I've been sad. Tracing Liechtenstein with my eyes closed. On a Friday night.
Brooklyn Bridge. Brooklyn Bridge. What an experience, man. I'm very happy with that.
Browsing floors inside a crowded store. I know we can't afford next time in New York. We've seen it all before. I'd do it again. Love like yours and leaves me out of sorts, and I need nothing more. Next time in New York.